Oppo Find N2 Flip will be released in Europe. Fast refresh rate, flexible AMOLED display, big external screen, compact in design, flagship camera, powerful processor, large battery and many more. Today I will show you unboxing and first impression of the Oppo Find N2 Flip foldable phone. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. This is the Oppo Find N2 Flip phone's box. When you open it, you will find the phone in unfold state, a 67-watt Superbook power adapter and a clear hard case. Take off the plastic wrap of the phone and talk about the design and build. The Oppo Find N2 Flip is a new foldable phone from Oppo that has an innovation and user-friendly design. It's a lightweight at 191 grams and has a sleek, small pocket fold shape that looks simple and refined. People have different opinions on the feel of the Oppo Find N2 Flip when folded, but it's designed to be lightweight and easy to hold. It's especially valuable is today's trend to half-pound phone. The back battery cover is made of the curved 3D glass, which reduces its edges and corners, making it more comfortable to grip. The frame also helps to reduce the overall weight. When unfolded, the phone is only 7.45 mm at the thinnest point, providing a comfortable and the unburdened experience for both the eyes and the hands. The Oppo Find N2 Flip comes in a black color scheme. The black color of the phone feels light, youthful and energetic. Most external screen on the market for the vertical folding screen are limited to basic functions like checking time and messages. But the external screen of the Oppo Find N2 Flip is different. It has a large 3.26-inch screen that offers more functions, while the 6.82-inch E6 material AMOLED flexible internal screen has a high 120Hz refresh rate and a 2520 by 1080p resolution, making it top-level flagship screen. It also supports the dynamic adaptive refresh rate technology. Additionally, the screen flatness of the Oppo Find N2 Flip can maintain 98% even after being folded 2 lakh times, which is impressive. The previous Oppo flagship folding screen, the Find N, had a noticeable crease, but it was still among the best in the first tier of the folding screen. It hence provides a stable support even with the frequent folding. However, the new Find N2 Flip has achieved a nearly invisible creases that look almost like a regular phone when folded, making it even more perfect than the previous model. Oppo Find N2 Flip's advanced screen is made possible by its ultra-light and sturdy Seiko Quest vertical hinge. The hinge has been continuously improved to ensure smooth opening and closing with the Hawaii effect. Using just 2 slide rails, the hinge is made with the hinge strength aerospace grade Jolly material. Oppo Find N2 Flip has a 3.26-inch external screen with the 16:9 aspect ratio, which is the largest in the up and down folding machine category. The external screen is convenient and intuitive to use, with simple interaction for the commonly used software. It can be used to access smart scene service cards, take pictures, check the weathers, and even watch videos. The external screen also features a one-click reply function for the SMS and WeChat, allowing the user to reply with the emojis, short phrases, and the voice to text. This function is very user-friendly and improves the efficiency of the using Find N2 Flip. Oppo Find N2 Flip offers a personalized wallpaper function for the external screen. One of the wallpaper options in the interactive pet wallpaper, similar to having a virtual pet. The pet has different animation depending on the scenario and can react to touch or when the screen is lit up. The pet can also reflect the system status, such as the working out when charging, wearing headphones when music is playing, and looking tired when the battery is low. The camera of the Find N2 Flip has 2 parts, a 50MP Sony IMX890 main camera and a 8MP Sony IMX355 ultra wide angle camera. The main camera of the Find N2 Flip is impressive. It has a 50MP Sony IMX890 flagship sensor. The camera can take good photos in low light condition. You can see the sample photos. The Dimensity 9000 Plus chip was launched to improve the performance and energy consumption. It uses the TSMC's 4nm process and has a higher frequency, resulting in the 5% improvement in the performance compared to the Dimensity 9000. The Oppo Find N2 Flip has a large 4300 mAh battery, which is supported by the upgraded hinge and stacking technology. It also comes with the 44-watt super flash charge support, which provides a great charging experience. Despite its compact body, it has also long battery life, making it convenient for for the daily use. With its excellent performance and ultra flexible charging, it has become a great choice for the users. Oppo Find N2 Flip is a vertically foldable mobile phone that provides a subversive experience in the human-computer interaction. It's a super large and window external screen allows user to handle daily news, take a picture and watch videos without repeatedly open the folding screen. The phone is lightweight and thin, making it easy to carry in the pockets or bags. Despite its small size, it has a large battery capacity and a fast charging. The phone is suitable for the daily use, making it a good option for the user on the go. Overall, Oppo Find N2 Flip provides both performance and convenience in the folding screen phone. So, what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also, give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.